yo, 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 yo.
Yeah, Dreamtime brothers getting down, giving you some classical Aboriginal sound. Get down to this, as I'm ripping it up on the mic, making you wanna bounce to this. Cause you know when we do it, how we do it, no other music compares to it. Except Archie Roach, when he sang they took the children away. And Yafundi when they sing, treaty, yeah. Then I got to thinking, damn, I should start writing my own music, man. Look at me now, I'm doing alright, keeping it tight on the mic all night, 24/7. I'm ripping the verses, making them sound as if they're coming straight from heaven. Yeah, I'm just trying to give you some Aboriginal sound to get down tonight. I'm just trying to give you some Aboriginal sound so you can feel alright.
It's the Dreamtime brothers in the house again. Sequin and Trendo coming at you with smooth flows. We just doing it like we can, letting all you know we do freakish musos. Two lyricists, our flows be dangerous, like one-on-one with Greg Inglis. Are you feeling this? Are you hearing this? Classical sound coming from an Aboriginal. Now all the girls wanna get up and get down if you're feeling it now. One hand on the mic, get our shit tight. Dreamtime brothers rocking the spot all night, trying to make you feel right, trying to make you have a good time, trying to make you feel fine. Hope you have a good night from town to town with this Aboriginal sound. Yo, you ready? See Quinn,
What?
tell them what we trying to do.
We just trying to give you some Aboriginal sound to get down tonight. We just trying to give you some Aboriginal sound so you can feel alright. We just trying to give you some Aboriginal sound to get down tonight. We just trying to give you some Aboriginal sound so you can feel alright.